Hello IBMAT aspirants, how are you? I hope you are doing well, and I guess that you are looking for a schedule in which you manage your time, you want to manage just everything, whatever happening in your life. So the one side is your things, the most important, your studies and preparation, and the other side, something else. Hence, I assure you that you just clicked on the right video. Here I'll tell you how you could achieve this. So let's begin. Here's the plan which I got for you. Have a look. First of all, no need to wake early. Just kidding. You need to. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, you need to. I'll tell you how this will boost, but you need to. So try to get till 6 anyhow, please. And I request you, please don't be lazy. And yeah, let's proceed and try to get fresh up till 6:30. And now is the time to solve QA questions, that's quants question, and that too till 9. So now after 9 you must be hungry, right? So get a shower or have a breakfast, either of them, or get both of them. But yeah, remember, it's not the time to text her or him. Let's get back to work. So now from 10 to 12:30 I request you to improve your concepts. Work on your concepts, as that's the only key. So now after this I request you to solve RCs or complete your reading parts. Now have a meal of your choice and then quickly jump back to the question solvings. That too first with quants and then with LR questions. It's important, you have to solve LR daily. Now after completing all these things, you have your 2 hours. So just quickly grab your phone and do whatever you wish to. You know what I mean? But then even, just grab your phone and do whatever you wish to. You have acquired this time, you have the right. Keep going. But now it's enough. I request you to come back after 2 hours and continue with your verbal ability section. And that too till 9. Well, here comes the most interesting part of your schedule. Go back and revise all the questions that you found useful. Now after this, you have your time again. So utilize this in whatever manner possible. You know what I mean again? So go on. Wait a second. If you have completed this, then big congrats to you. Do you know what have you completed? You have completed 4 hours of quants questions, just questions 4 hours, and 2 hours on the logical reasoning part, and then the 3 hours on your verbal ability, alongside proceeding all your hobbies or whatever thing you like. So keep repeating this habit and keep proceeding. So if you want this interesting schedule, please check our Telegram channel. Link is provided in the description. There I'll provide you with this table or the Excel file. If you enjoyed this video, please hit a like button and a sub will be awesome. Consider checking our playlists, you might find them useful. That's all for today. Stay blessed.